Hello friends, in this video we will see one matrix operation, that is how to calculate transpose of a matrix through C program. So I have already created one file. Through this file we can see the logic. Here I have declared 2D array that is named as A and B. In A matrix, or 2D array is also called as matrix. So in A matrix we will accept value from user and transpose of A will be stored in B. Ij are loop variables which are used to iterate the loop. As it is 2 by 2 matrix or 2D array, we need nested for loop. There are 2 rows and 2 columns in A, similarly 2 rows and 2 columns in B. So we will accept values in matrix A. I will iterate from 0 to 1, J will iterate from 0 to 1. So there are total 4 possibilities, that is when I is 0, J will be 0, 1. Then when I will be 1, J will be 0 and 1. So total 4 possibilities. So through this scanf function we will accept values in matrix A. Through same nested for loop I am displaying the values of matrix A. Then this is the logic of how to calculate transpose. As we know that in mathematics we will exchange rows with columns. Same logic is used here. I will iterate from 0 to 1, J will also iterate from 0 to 1, and this is important point, B of Ij is equal to A of Ji. It means the column of A will become the row of B and the row of A will become column in B. This is how we will do in mathematics. Same logic is used here, and then we will print the matrix B. So we will see its execution. I'm giving values as, let's say, 6, 5, 4, 3. So this is our original matrix, that is 6, 5, 4, 3, that is matrix A, and its transpose, that is row is exchanged with column. So first row 6, 5, that is now my first column 6, 5. Second row in A, that is 4, 3, has become second column in transpose, that is 4, 3. Thank you.